Hello everybody, it's Drew from Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here with you. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you're already subscribed. Feel free to click like at the end of this video, but only if you like this video, okay? In this video what I'm going to do is talk to you about cell division, specifically when we're talking about pregnancy. You've seen other videos on our YouTube channel, hopefully. You've heard me talk about how critical calcium is. Maybe you've done a hair analysis in our office. If you have, you've heard about how critical calcium is for health and wellness. In this video, what I want to do is I want to talk to you about one of the roles that calcium plays in health that you may not know already. And that role has to do with cell division. So, when a human is conceived, it takes about 24 to 30 hours before that first cell division occurs, okay? So the sperm and the egg find each other, they link up. 24 to 30 hours later, we see that first cell division occurs. That cell division requires calcium. 3 to 4 weeks into the pregnancy, the heart starts to form. That's kind of a cool thing to think about, right? This thing is living, and then all of a sudden its heart starts to beat, and you can hear its heartbeat. That happens about 3 to 4 weeks, and at that point, it's about 200 cells. So that one cell that divided 24 to 30 hours into it, a couple weeks later, it's up to 200 cells. If this was a stock that you had invested in, you would be thrilled that you spent $1 and a month later you had $200. Now, I want to talk about something. Adult humans have between 40 and 60 trillion cells. I actually looked it up to double check this. That means 12 zeros. That's a lot, okay? Every time those cells had to divide to be formed, to be created, it required calcium. So for the sake of healthy cell division, to allow these cells to divide and allow that human to fully form, we want to have adequate calcium inside of mama's body. You got a lot of choices for good calciums. I grabbed some of my favorites. There's an algae-based calcium. This product also has magnesium and vitamin D in it. And then we got some of my favorites from Standard Process. This is calcium lactate. If you're familiar with our fever breaker protocol, you're familiar with calcium lactate. If you're not familiar with that protocol, leave a comment. Let us know you want to hear about it. There's CalciFood. This is another whole food calcium product. This also contains phosphorus, contains other bone health factors. There was a study that was conducted years ago with Standard Process supplements on bone loss. And what was found was that CalciFood could help people in this study stop losing bone. If you want to hear about that study in a video, leave a comment and let us know. And then here's CalSol. This is a calcium and phosphorus combination. I often use this clinically when people come in with bone spurs. I see that it can be really helpful in supporting the body to deal with bone spurs. Whichever quality calcium you're using, that's just 4 examples of quality calcium. We need quality calcium for cell division. It is critical that mama's body has adequate calcium for optimal cell division. Hopefully you learned something in this video, or we just touched up on something that you already knew, and a refresher is always a good thing. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and leave a comment, especially if you have a topic that you're thinking, I wonder what Drew has to say about it. Have a good day.